Focus on vocabulary. Places around town. Look at the images. What place do they show? That's right. It's a bank. That's right. It's a coffee shop. That's right. It's a park. That's right. It's a movie theatre. That's right. It's a restaurant. Which image shows a shopping mall? That's right. Image A. Which image shows a street market? That's right. Image B. Which image shows a pharmacy? That's right. Image A. We say pharmacy or drugstore. Image B shows a grocery store. Listen to Camilla ask for directions. Which question do you hear first?
How do I get to Urbana Bank? Where is Urbana Bank?
That's right. Camilla says, how do I get to Urbana Bank first? We can say, where is, or how do I get to ask for directions. Focus on grammar. There is, there are, plus prepositions of place. In this class, we are going to focus on using there is and there are. So when do we use them? Watch the video with examples of there is and there are, and think about when we use this structure.
Hi Camila, how can I help you?
I need to go to the bank, but I don't know the area very well. Are there any banks near here?
Yes, there are two near here. One of them is only 5 minutes away.
Perfect.
We use there is and there are to say that something exists.
There is an amazing coffee shop near here.
This means a coffee shop exists near Gabriella's location.
There isn't a street market near here.
This means a street market does not exist near Gabriella's location. There is, there are in the affirmative. We use there is for singular and there are for plural. Let's look at some examples. There is one restaurant on this street. There are two restaurants on this street. There is a movie theatre in the mall. There are many movie theatres in the city. Let's look at the contracted forms. The contraction of there is there's. For example, there's a park next to my house. There's a French restaurant downtown. You cannot contract there are. For example, there are many street markets in Santiago. There are 3 cafes on this street. Let's look at the negative form. The negative is formed by putting not after is or are. For example, there is not a grocery on this street. There are not two banks near here. In the negative form, we almost always use the contracted form when speaking. There is not, there isn't. There are not, there aren't. To indicate that there are zero of something, we use there aren't plus any. For example, there aren't any banks near here. There aren't any parks on this street. We also use there isn't plus any for uncountable things. There isn't any time to go to the bank today. Read and listen to the question. What do we need to change to form a question?
Is there a coffee shop on this street? Are there any banks near here?
To form a question, we place is or are before there. For plurals, we use any. Let's look at some examples. Is there a supermarket downtown? Are there any rooms available? Is there a doctor here? Are there any clients waiting? Study the images of a ball below. How would you describe the positions of the ball? Behind, in front of, next to, between. Look at the image and complete the sentence with the correct word or phrase. The bank is A, between, or B, in front of, the candy shop and the coffee shop. The correct answer is between. The bakery is A, next to, or B, between, the barber shop. The correct answer is next to. The bookshop is A, between, or B, behind, the bank. The correct answer is behind. The bakery is A, in front of, or B, behind, the bank. The correct answer is in front of. Look at the images. Which directions do the arrows indicate? Left, right, straight ahead, around the corner. Look at the image and complete the sentence with the correct word or phrase. The coffee shop is A, to the right, or B, to the left of the bar. The correct answer is to the left. The coffee shop is A, to the right, or B, to the left of the fast food restaurant. The correct answer is to the right. The market is A, straight, or B, around the corner from the school. The correct answer is around the corner. To get from the circus to the school, you go A, around the corner, or B, straight ahead. The correct answer is straight ahead.